in terms of the timeline that Ombudsman himself promised, no, I don't think papahiyain niya yung sarili niya. Because siya yung nagbigay niyan, siya yung nagsabi na may mapapakulong before Christmas. He still has 2 working weeks. December 8 today, happy birthday kay Mama Mary, feast of ano ngayon, di ba? Immaculate Conception.
Yes,
Yes.
yes.
Up until December 12, those are 5 whole working days, and then he still has 5 days next week, no? This week pa lang ang alam ko may dalawang senador or legislators, might not be a senator, might be one congressman, one senator, no? But there are 2 legislators who will have warrants of arrest out siguro before the week ends. So, basta mahuli nila kasi baka kasi magtago eh. That's the problem. Baka mapornada yung deadline or yung
Mm.
pagyayabang ni Ombudsman if magtago yung mga magkaka-warrants of arrest. So, but in terms of the cases filed and in terms of warrants of arrest coming out, the timeline works out.
Mhm.
Magkakaroon din ng warrants this week or
Mm.
next